Loca, loca, chica loca, 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 muy golosa, loca, loca, vanitosa, loca, loca, vanitosa. Loca, loca, chica loca, 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 muy golosa, loca, loca, vanitosa, loca, loca, vanitosa.
Today, I will introduce this action transfer of scale to role substitution. It supports the generation of long videos. First, let me introduce this parameter. This parameter, which is 24 frames per second. Now, the switch is force, which means it is in the action migration mode. Clicking true will enter the character replacement mode. And here 721 is 721. The total number of frames, and then this is the longest side. If your video memory is not enough, I recommend you to set it to 30 or 40 or 40, or you can run it in the cloud. The rest is all set up. You also need to write the prompt words such as the character is dancing, singing. And then behind, then here's to upload your picture. Here's to upload video. And you should write here, for example, if you want to identify the person in the picture, just write person, write it in or other objects, just write it in. And then there is nothing else. And here is the final comparison. It should be noted that for the picture, I sent this picture relatively close. You can move it.
Loca, 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 vanitosa, loca, loca, vanitosa.